Hello everybody, it's time for phonics and it's Thursday morning. Kathy's saying good morning. It looks like she's saying it from her eye. Hello. Good day to you. Wow, morning everyone. Let's do challenge 1. It's time for us to remember and write some grapheme we have already learned. Miss Coleman will tell you now. Okay, so thanks for that, Rex. Sound like you need a bit of oil on your joints. Let's have a look. Let's write all the graphemes for the sound There are 5 of these. Pause the video now and write them. Brilliant, you should have written all of those. Now have a go at this one. Oh. There are 3 different ways of writing. Oh, right, let's move on. There we are. So, you've got U and an R, I and an R, E and an R, and these 2 we've looked at this week, EA and an R, like in learn, and OR, like in work. And in or, we've got the double O, and then we've also got the and the U, and the O and the U. So this is like in put, and this is like in would. Would you like to go to the park? Okay, let's move on. Now write these words. Okay, so thinking about those 4 sounds, we've got the EAR, the U by itself. Those 2 make the sound. Sorry, EAR and OR make the sound, and the U and the OU make the sound. Okay, so let's write these words. Can you write the word would as in would you like to do something, not wood as in a forest? So would. Okay, pause the video if you need some more time for after each of these. The next one is worst. That was the worst day ever. The next one is playful. And the last one is early. Pause the video now if you need some more time, and you can go back and listen to them again if you need to. Now we're going to move on. So would up here is W, and then the sound is O and U, and then the D sound is an L and a D. Worst has got the W at the beginning, the is OR, and then it's got S and T. Playful, the word play, A, and then F, and then O. The sound is a U, and then and then the last one was early. The sound is EA and R, and then you've got LY, early. The Y says E at the end. Today we are going to be changing some nouns into adjectives. To do this, we will be adding the suffix Y to the end of some root nouns. Root nouns? What is an adjective? What is a noun? Right, guys, we've been doing this for a few days. What's an adjective, guys? Okay, and what's a noun? Okay, Kathy's saying, exactly, an adjective describes something. A noun? A noun is a person, place or thing. Let's sort the words into nouns and adjectives. So an adjective describes a noun, and a noun is a person, a place or a thing. So have a look at these words. I want you to pause the video and see if you can recognise where they go. Are they nouns or are they adjectives? Pause the video now. Okay, you should have paused the video and worked out what each of these words are and where they go. So the first one is, brilliant, it's the word shiny. And shiny is an adjective. It's saying what something looks like. Oh, I did that last time as well. So the next word was, brilliant, fence. What's that? Is it an adjective or is it a noun? It's a noun. It's something that you put around a space of land to keep something in or something out. What's the next one? This one's a tricky one. This is engine. The I says E in this word, engine. It's what makes the car move. Okay. Where does engine go? Well, I don't know if you said it's a noun, it's a thing. Okay, and the next one says fluffy. Is that a noun or an adjective? Yeah, it's an adjective. You don't get a fluffy. Okay, what's the next one? Ooh, yeah, it's creepy. Is that a noun or an adjective? It is indeed an adjective. Okay, next one is brilliant. Man. Where does man go? Yep, it goes in noun. It's a person. The next one is great. It's an adjective. It's describing something. You don't say, I'm going to go and get my great. Right, let's have a look at the next one. What's that one? Yep, it's Walker. Brilliant. And where does Walker go? You got it. It's a noun. Okay, have a look at the next one. What's that one? Yep, it's the word book, and that is a noun. Yep. And finally, we've got the word gloomy. Gloomy is kind of like it's a little bit dark. It's not really dark, and you can't see very far. That one's an adjective. Right. Let's move on. Great. Let's remind ourselves of the spelling rules for adding a suffix to the end of a word. Number 1. If it ends in E, take it away and add the suffix. Number 2. We do not change any nouns ending in Y into adjectives ending in Y. Exclamation mark, exclamation mark. Yeah, that would be a bit silly, wouldn't it? You wouldn't take away a Y and then add a Y. It's the same thing. Number 3. If it's a vowel and a consonant, if it ends in a vowel and a consonant, double the consonant, add the suffix. Okay, got ya. Miss Coleman will help you read these nouns and add the suffix Y. Okay, so what's the first one? Brilliant. It's the noun. It's a thing. It's a cloud. Cloud. That's a thing. It doesn't end in a vowel and a consonant. Doesn't end in E. So we don't need to change the noun. We just need to add the Y to make the adjective. So it says excellent. It says cloudy. Cloudy. Okay. Read the next one there. Super. It says fun. That's something that you have, isn't it? I guess. You can have fun. Okay. Okay, and it ends in a vowel and a consonant, so we have to double the consonant and then add the Y, and it says, that's right, it says funny. Okay, and the last one says smoke. Yeah, you get that from a fire. Do you remember when we had our fire for the Viking Day? Okay, ends in an E, so we've got to take away the E. And then we've got to add the Y. And what does the final word say? The adjective. That's right, it says smoky. Super, now have a go at reading these nouns and then the adjective it makes when you add Y. Okay, so have a go at reading. Oh, it says root verb and noun. Whoopsie-daisy. Okay, so it says this is actually the noun and this is the adjective. I forgot to change that. Right, so have a go at reading the noun and then the adjective. Pause the video now. Okay, read these ones as well and pause the video. Great, so we'll see you back soon for challenge 2.